Okay guys, it's breakfast time. We're going to do something kind of special today in my kitchen. And here at the farm, here at the ranch, we want to do something that everybody likes. Let's make some breakfast sandwiches. Okay, let's see what we can do in our kitchen. And you follow right along, and if you're not sure how to make them, you will know how after this video is done. Thanks for joining me in my kitchen. This is another Dr. Stewart Productions only on YouTube for you. Okay fellas, here's how we're going to make this nice breakfast sandwich. You won't buy this at McDonald's, Burger King, Wendy's, any other fast food place. Not as good as this. And so we have eggs, we have English muffins, we have some sliced meat. I think that might be sliced either ham or turkey. We have a little bit of cheese, and then we're going to throw on some mayonnaise and some mustard. So we just turned on our copper pan there to heat up. We're going to throw on a little bit of oil there to cook those eggs in first, and let's see how we can put together this breakfast sandwich. And you can do this at home for your friends and they will really like this. Okay fellas, the first thing we're going to do is cook an egg, and I put a little bit of oil in the pan, and what I'm going to do is pop the yellow, because I don't like a big yellow blob in the middle of my sandwich. So let's pop that a little bit. Spread that yellow out, and then in a moment or two we'll flip it. We'll throw on the meat now too, I guess. Okay, so let's flip this over a little bit. There you go. And I'm going to take maybe 2 pieces of this meat, maybe 3 pieces. Throw that down. And while that egg is cooking, let's throw a piece of cheese right on top like that. Alright? Oh yeah, look at that. Now, what I did, I took my English muffin and I spread just a little bit of mayonnaise on the top. Okay, let me do this too. Let me add a little bit more oil. I don't like the way that's turning out. I could take this bread and toast it, but I'd rather cook it right here on the, right there like that. And then I have the bottom. Just like that. So let's let that cook for a moment, and let's pull it out and see what it looks like. There you go. We're going to take the egg and the meat, egg with that cheese out, and we're going to let this cook for just another moment, kind of brown up a little bit. And again, I could toast that, but I was at my son's and he showed me how to take some bread and spread a little bit of mayonnaise on it and use the mayonnaise like butter. And let's see what it looks like here. Let's toss this, or flip it rather. Oh yeah, look at that. That'll make that nice and brown. See, in fast food restaurants, they can't go to detail like this because they have to go fast-paced. They have to go fast because of all the orders coming in smaller hole in the wall places, they could probably do this. Okay, so let's see. This is the bottom. There you go. Now you can see it. This is the bottom piece. And let's see here. Here we go. Here's that egg with the cheese on it. Here's that meat. And then here's that top piece as well. Just like this. So here's my breakfast sandwich, folks. I'm going to cut it in a minute so you can see the inside of it. Let's turn this burner off. That's probably a big plus. Alright. Let me get a knife and we'll slice this in half. So there's your breakfast sandwich I just made for us. It only took a few minutes. You can whip up a whole bunch of these at work, even for the guys. They would really enjoy it. And again, there it is, cut in half. English muffin, regular sliced deli meat, an egg with some cheese, and you got yourself a nice little breakfast going on right there. Thanks for joining me, and I don't do too many cooking videos, so this is almost a new thing for me. Thanks for joining me on this little presentation. If you like this, share it with some friends, subscribe to my channel, and thanks so much. God bless.